Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I have a really simple meatless recipe for you guys. If you saw my last Cook and Clean with me, you saw that I made beans and rice, and it was actually really yummy and my kids really enjoyed it. This meal I have made several times and my kids all love it. And all of these ingredients you can actually buy from Costco except for the taco seasoning. I'm sure that they have taco seasoning at Costco, but I've never looked for it before or I've never bought it. So this comes in a case of 6 or 8, I can't remember. It's just the original Rotel. This is a new kind of cheese that we saw. They did not have this when we were back in Florida. And this comes in a 2-pack. It's a little bit smaller than their other size shredded cheese. And this comes in a 2-pack, and we buy these about once a month. And I'm going to use about half of the container, so the rest of this pretty much. And the Greek yogurt, it just comes in a single container when you buy it from Costco. And I'm going to use about 1/3 of that. And then these also come in a pack of 8 or 10, I really can't remember. But it's just the S&W organic black beans. So, all right, I'm just going to get started. Okay, so I have already preheated the oven, or it's preheating right now, to 350. This is an 11x8 casserole dish. Just gonna spray, which also came from Costco. This comes in a 2-pack. I love Costco. Okay, so I'm just gonna mix all of the ingredients into this mixing bowl. I'm only going to put a small amount of cheese in the mixture, and then afterward I'm going to add it to the top. So I'll show you what I mean in a second. Let's see. Okay, the beans is actually the only thing I drained, so I'm going to pour this into the sink. Ooh, I need to do my dishes. This is my last spoon in the silverware drawer. I guess I need to get another spoon. There's the Rotel. You know what? I'm gonna drain some of the liquid. I forget how liquidy this is. So drain the liquid, most of it. There we go. And I'm gonna add almost all this salsa. I don't want it to be too spicy because it is medium. It's not mild. If it's too spicy, my 8-year-old will have a hard time eating it. Okay, so this is just over half full. I don't know if you can tell that, but I'm just gonna scoop out some. Sorry, I don't do measurements, really. I just kind of guesstimate that it's about, I don't know, 8 ounces. There's the oven. Okay, that might be 10 to 12 ounces. I don't know. And you can also use sour cream in this recipe. I'm just gonna go ahead and mix it up a little bit. So I don't measure the taco seasoning. Like I said, I just don't measure. I'm sorry. So if you have a packet of taco seasoning, then just add that to it. But if you buy in bulk, then I don't know, what is it? What would it be? Maybe 2 tablespoons, 2.5. I'm not really sure. Okay, so I'm gonna mix that in there now. Once again, I don't measure. So I'm gonna mix in just a little bit of cheese. I guess you could call this like meatless Mexican dip or something, because what we do is we actually eat this with Tostitos chips and lettuce and whatever else you want to add to it. Avocado, anything you want. You could add black olives if you like that. You could saute some bell peppers and onions. and eat that with it as well. Just whatever you want to do. So that's that, and you stick it in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. All right, and now I'm gonna clean.
Wanna shake the ground, wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move. All the neon signs, now they shout to me and you to write our story. Wanna shape the new. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna?
So I didn't show us eating in this video, but I am now cleaning up after supper. I'm putting away the leftovers, and the reason we have so many leftovers is because my husband is never here in the evenings. He works in the evenings, so pretty much all the leftovers are his for the next 2 days for him to take to work.
Something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it life.
So now I'm just cleaning off the table using my Mrs. Meyers pumpkin scented multi-purpose cleaner, and I have to scrub really hard in a lot of places because let's just face it, my kids are messy. So now I'm just rinsing off the dishes and I'm going to load them into the dishwasher.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just want to go my own way, gonna let the past.
Okay, so I know it looks like I'm washing dishes right here, but I'm actually just scrubbing all of the food off of them and leaving them in my little dish drain because my dishwasher is now full and running. So what I'm going to do is later on in the evening, I'm just going to unload the dishwasher and load these into the dishwasher.
I'm on my way now.
And now I'm just wiping down my counters with the Method Granite Cleaner.
Oh, and I don't know what I'll find. Maybe I can be a rock star, playing songs on my guitar. I know I have to be somewhere else.
And now I'm using the Still For Real Cleaner by Method, and I have to agree with Love Meg on this. It does not do a very good job. I don't know if it's the cloth that I'm using. I've tried different things like microfiber, paper towel, and now this terry cloth, and it just doesn't seem to work very well. It leaves streaks. And now I'm just taking out my recycling and our trash.
On my way now.
And the last thing I'm going to do is just vacuum the floor. I was too tired this night to mop, so that's going to be all for this video. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. All right, guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.